how to connect the Canon MX926 printer to Wi-Fi. Now on the menu here, you want to press on the menu button. Then we're going to go across and select WLAN and press on OK. Now here you can choose the WPS method, or you can use the standard setup. So you can press on the stop button, and over here we can select standard setup and press on OK. Here, go down and select a Wi-Fi, then press on OK, and then enter in your Wi-Fi password. Now to switch between alphabetical or numeric, press on this button here. This will allow you to switch between numbers and letters. Now use this keypad here across like this and type in the password or the passphrase for your router, and then you press on the OK button. Now if you make a mistake, you can press on this key here to delete. Now press on the done button right here. Then press on end setup, and it shows connecting to access point. Okay, once you are connected, it should show the message connected to the access point. Press on the OK button, and on your printer now you can see the Wi-Fi icon.